In today's video, I will walk you through how to upload any voice to ElevenLabs. Once your audio is ready, log in to your ElevenLabs account and look over to the left-hand panel. Find the option labeled Voices and click on it. This section is where you'll manage your available voices and create new ones. Inside the Voices section, look for the option called Create or Clone Voice and select it. This will take you to the voice cloning setup, where you'll choose the type of clone you want to create. At this point, you'll be asked to choose between an instant clone and a professional clone. Select the option that matches the audio you prepared earlier. If you only have a short recording of at least 10 seconds, choose the instant clone. If you've prepared at least 30 minutes of audio and want to use the professional voice cloner, choose that option instead. After selecting the cloning method, you'll be prompted to upload your audio file. Follow the upload prompts and choose the recording containing the voice you want to clone. Make sure you're uploading the correct file and that it meets the required audio length for the cloning option you've selected. Once the upload is complete, allow the cloning process to finish. After everything has been processed, your cloned voice will be added to your account automatically. To find it, return to the Voices section and open the My Voices tab. This is where all of your created and cloned voices are stored. Whenever you want to use the voice in future projects, you'll be able to find it here without needing to upload it again. Once your voice appears in the My Voices tab, it's ready to use whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ElevenLabs tutorials and helpful guides.